So this was several years ago. And all of a sudden I started hearing rumblings that DNA disproves the Book of Mormon. I think a lot of people have already heard my story as far as what happened with that, and how I just wanted to find out, well, is there an answer? I mean, I know the Book of Mormon is true from a spiritual standpoint, but because I know it's true spiritually, there's going to be, you know,
The evidence has to
physical
be there,
evidence.
right?
Yes, exactly.
Truth is truth. If it's true, the evidence is
Exactly.
going to show up. So
Exactly. So that's when I began doing a research study on DNA in the Book of Mormon, and really kind of just to break it down in just a second. Let's kind of we can kind of both toss in here information, but essentially the problem is this, and that is that when they began sequencing DNA from Native American populations here in the Americas, they were finding they were primarily Asiatics,
hmm
and meaning that and they actually were part of one of really four different primary what they call uh, founding haplogroups. Now a haplogroup, there's supergroups, kind of the larger group, and then there's subgroups, and there's subgroups called clades, and
yeah,
there's subgroups
yeah.
even some of
You
them.
could just view them as families. So grouping of DNA. So
Exactly.
yeah,
Yeah, and so when it comes down to it, there's actually three different primary supergroups. Basically, if you want to put them in by region, it's essentially what were the Europeans, and then there's the Africans, and then there's the Asians.
yeah. They have distinct markers that are different.
Yeah, and that differentiate
hmm
basically the three groups there.